just slay. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl All Things Essential. I am back with another video, and today is not going to be a makeup video, but it is going to be a makeup review, and I am excited today. My first Boxycharm package. I told myself I was not going to sign up for any makeup packages or anything like that, but my friend was like, girl, you need to sign up for $25. You're gonna get a full amount of products. So I end up signing up in like the middle of July, and they end up sending me my box, and I'm excited to review that today. So we're gonna get right into the video. It's gonna be a short video. I did already look inside, but I want to share with you guys what I have in this box. I have 3 rules before you come into my channel. Make sure you learn with me, grow with me, and do not judge me. And also, if you are a new watcher or subscriber or lurker, make sure you go to my profile and watch my videos. If you like me, go ahead and press that subscribe button. If you don't subscribe yet, I'm gonna get you eventually. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're already a part of the tribe, welcome back. Hey, without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. So like I stated, I signed up for Boxycharms in the middle of July, and they end up sending me a box, luckily. So I don't know if these could get sold out or what, but excuse my nails, y'all, I'm going through it right now. Yeah, so this is my Boxycharm. That was just a card. This is my Boxycharm purchase, what they sent me. And I'm gonna just go through each item. All right. So the first thing they sent me, yeah, I like that sound. Okay, I'm being annoying, okay. Anyway, I like that sound. So they sent me the dry brush cleaner. Yes, so I have not used this, or I never had one of these. So if I'm gonna have to watch a video on how you use it, because it says to remove previous color, swirl brush around the pad. So I guess this is like if you were doing makeup and you were doing some bright colors, or you wanted to use like 1 or 2 brushes, you could use this and get that color off of your brush. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. Not sure if there's gonna be any use, but hey, I paid $25 for this box, so I'm gonna use everything that's in it. You got that right. And the second thing that I'm very excited about is this, the eye mask. So these eye masks, let me open these. I got 2. But these are like the gold eye masks, and I've been looking for these, but I could not find them. So once I run out of this box, I'm going to go ahead and purchase them if they are working perfectly for me. I have not used them yet. I think I'm going to use them tonight once I take off my makeup. This is to be used like once you take off your makeup and you cleanse your face. Before you moisturize, you're supposed to leave it on for 15 minutes under your eye. And this is anti-wrinkle and energized eye mask. So you put it under your eye, and I have bad energy under my eye, and when I say energy, it's just dark, and I think it comes from it comes from my genes. Like my grandma has it, my mom has it, my aunts have it. It's just my eyes are really dark underneath, so that's why I apply probably a lot of concealer, or maybe this would help. So yeah, so that's the second item, the eye mask, and it's by Grace and Stella. Never tried that brand, so I'm excited about using this product. definitely excited because I've been actually looking for these eye masks. So the next thing I got is Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, and it's by Coty London. Never heard of this brand. So we're gonna open this up. I can always use setting spray, so I ain't tripping on that. Ooh, I like the bottle. Packaging is everything. Okay. Ooh, this packaging is everything. I like it. And it's just setting spray, so after you do your makeup, you set your makeup with this. It's coconut flavored, dewy coconut. It says fresh coconut extract, softening, dewy finish, whole bottle 20 centimeters away. Sis, what? Yeah, so you know how to use setting spray. So yes, I'm excited to try this. That's what I would say about this. This is more like a mist, and I feel like some setting sprays are just like wet. I mean, it's supposed to be wet, but I feel like this is a mist and it dries up fast. So definitely excited about using my setting spray, my new setting spray. Okay. The next thing, in this box you get 5 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got one more thing to review. So this is 111 Skin, Harris Street, London. I guess this is, I don't know. It says Pollution Defense Booster. I've never heard of anything like this. I don't know much about this, but I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna open it up, and it says use it with your face moisturizer. So I will try to use this with my face moisturizer. It's a 1 drop with your face moisturizer. So this how the bottle look. It is a pretty hefty bottle. They give you pretty hefty sizes. I used to have Ipsy, but they used to give you like little snack sizes of makeup stuff, and I don't like that. As much as it costs, I don't like that. And last but not least, they gave me a palette. It is from Pur. It's called Festivals 2.0. It's a 12-piece pressed pigmented palette. Let's see if it's pigmented, because y'all know us brown skin girls, we be going through it. Okay, I like the colors. Okay, this is definitely a fall palette, I feel like. Or I like the glitters. I haven't tried them before, so let's do a couple of swatches and then this will be it. So it's one called Vibes. This is called Vibes, so I'm gonna try this one. Ooh, it's very creamy, I can say that. So it's very creamy, and it is pigmented. It is very pigmented on my skin. I'm gonna try another one. It's called Fantasy World. We're gonna trying to do this. I wasn't planning on doing swatches tonight. Ooh, that is pigmented. Okay, and we're gonna do VIP pad. Oh, whoa! I damn near took this is so creamy that you only have to move it just a little bit. It's so creamy, I almost took the eyeshadow out of the palette. Whoa. Okay, I like that. Y'all, I almost took this out of the, I had to put it back. That's crazy. So it's definitely creamy. Let's try one more. Oh yeah, that's definitely pigmented. I like that. That's like a neon color, I think. So I am excited about using this palette. These are the colors again. It did come with a mirror. Y'all see my little setup here. I will be sharing with you guys every box that I get. So hopefully you are looking forward to that. I like doing reviews. I like to show you guys what I got, and I like to let you guys know if it works. So I will try to use some of these products in my next video. I am gonna try to do a night routine in the morning, get ready with me routine. It's kind of hard to do that because I work from home, so I literally roll out the bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, and sit at the desk. That's my morning routine. But if y'all want to see that, then I mean, that's cool with me. I'm just gonna tell you, it's not fancy. So yeah, so that is my review for my first Boxycharm. I hope you guys like this review. I hope you guys like this video. And if you are a new subscriber, let me know below in the comments. Make sure you guys follow my social media handles. I don't know if I'm gonna put it here or here, but it will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be out because it is 1:12. Okay, it's 1:12 in the morning because that's when I create in the morning, the wee hours of the morning. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you are a new subscriber, let me know below in the comments. And I will be using these things in my next upcoming video. I will try to do a night routine of using this mask, and I will try to do a routine with me using this on my skin, and I will use my setting spray in one of my next videos to let y'all know how I feel about it. All these things will be used, and I can use them in my daily makeup routines. So I am excited about that. So I hope you guys like this video, comment below, and I hope you guys subscribe because we're almost to the finish line of 200 subscribers. Come join the tribe. Okay, I'm about to be out and wash my face and go to bed. Bye.